Alright, alright viewer, yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Right now I'm going to show you how you can make money in the forex market without you trading by yourself. Are you getting it? Now I'm also going to show you how to make 300k a day, that's per day, without trading. Okay, so we're also going to learn making money, how the ways you can make money in FX market without trading. Now the question is, what am I going to do, or what are you going to do to make money without trading in the FX market? Now all you have to do is very simple. Just follow this link as I'm going to show you to set up your account. Then I'll show you every other process step you need to take. Okay, this is one of the tools I'm going to give to you. In the process, you learn how to trade and set up everything without stress, without you bothering yourself with anything at all. Now the next thing we're going to do is just click on this link here. The moment you click on the link, then it's going to take you to where you will set up your account. And after you set up your account, then you verify your details and everything. You are good to go. Now the moment the account is set up and it's running, all you have to do is to come to this particular place after you have set up your account and everything is done. Then the next thing you are going to do now is you are going to make sure you follow the whole process. Then you click on download MT MetaTrader 4 if you have a PC. Then if you are using a phone and all that, but if you are going to use this tool I'm going to provide for you here, you will need a PC for that. Okay, now that's not where we're going. Now what we're going to do after you have set up your account is very easy. Just create an account, put your details, then verify your account. Then the moment you have verified your account, then you come to this right hand side of it, that's the left hand side, where you have invest. So just come to the invest aspect of it, and the invest aspect, so right on the invest aspect, you will now be able to do what we are going to do next. Okay, so you click on the invest and wait for it to load. Now we're going to wait for it to load. After it loads, then we'll now move to the next stage. Alright, now the moment you click on invest, then it's going to take you to this particular page where you will have a top strategy account. You can see view all strategy providers. Okay, so in this case where we have all the strategy providers, what we are going to do now, we are going to go through the ones that are available right now. We can see this particular strategy provider. This one now have a returns of 289%. This one has about 405% returns rate. This one 370 something return. This one, the number of investors, people that have invested into this particular trader is just 8. We have this about 465 investors, and this is particular trader is managing account or fund of $370,000. Now this other trader has about 245 investors and is managing $130,000 account. Now when we click on view all, the moment you click on view all, then it's going to load the entire strategy managers or traders that are available. Are you getting it now? So the moment you get this, now we'll click on view all strategy providers. It's going to take us to the next page where we are going to see all the providers available. That's all the traders where you can just invest and then you copy their trade, or they'll be the one doing the work for you. The system will automatically execute everything they are doing there. You will just be relaxed and be doing all the work you are doing. If you are working in office, you have other businesses you want to do, you go ahead doing your work. You just come, you check what you have, the profit you have generated so far, then you make a withdrawal of your fund. All right, so that is about this. Okay, now we'll just wait for the system to respond. It's like it's a little bit hanging, got a lot of load on this. Okay, so just wait for it to respond. The moment it responds, then we'll move to the next stage. Now we have the strategy testers, which are the traders we are going to provide in this case. Like as I explained to you, I'm going to be explaining everything one by one. Those in my WhatsApp group, I made mention of 2 ways you make money in this FS market. And the first way is without you trading by yourself, and the second way is you trading by yourself and managing everything by yourself. Now this first video we're watching right now is the first strategy where you can do what? make money here without you trading by yourself. There is no risk. You don't have anything here to stress yourself. Whether you are a novice, you don't know anything about the FX market, you don't even need to install anything at all. You don't need any indicator, you don't need it whatsoever. All you just have to do is just this link I just showed you here now. Just set up your account. The moment you set up your account, you verify your ID, upload your document, either your national ID, national ID slip, then your birth certificate to verify or prove your age. The moment you do that, your account is set up and good to go. Now, once you have that going, next thing you have to go to do, just in the link in this case, just click on it and you set up your account. All right, the link you see, just click on the link below. You see the link below, and you'll be able to set up your account in this order. All right, let me just copy it and show it for you right here on the wall. Okay, on my tab as it is. So you just highlight and you paste, or you click on it directly and it will open. You'll be able to set up your account. Okay, so that is the process you need to take to do what? To start up your business, your investment in this case, without you having to worry yourself about the technicalities involved or whatsoever. Okay, now the account is up and running. You have been able to set up your account. You have the next thing you are going to do is to select which of the strategy testers, traders are you going to invest with that will bring or return the maximum amount of money that you need. All right, you're also going to put the risk management into consideration. All right, so in this case, we are going to do now is we have the account, everything going. The next thing you have to do is to, from the strategy manager investor, so you choose who to follow based on how much you are willing to invest and prepare to risk. To help choose, all you go through and select the strategy managers you have available. Okay, that's the account managers here now. Now we have the first return. Are you getting it? Managing. In case we have this as the highest or the top so far, all you have to do is to click on this. Now you select one, that is the number 2 in this case. We select this tester here, or the manager who want to manage our fund. The risk is 3%. Are you getting it? So now that 3% is what we're going to take. We're going to go with this. This is 259. So you just click on this. Now we wait for this to respond. The moment it's open, then we'll now go straight to the next stage where we can now put our fund for this particular company or individual to manage it. We'll just wait for our what? Percentage. So we're going to see the percentage returns and how much we're going to get at the end of the period or the time or the day. Okay, so my system is a little bit slow because of some load on it. Try and reduce the load. Okay, maybe it's network anyway. Network's a little, because it has been raining and the weather is very bad, so probably it's due to network and everybody. So I just wait for it to respond. All right, the moment it respond, then all you have to do is to select how much you want to invest into this business. I think the minimum you can start with for this particular trader is $100. Okay, for this particular trader, all you have to do is to invest just $100 minimum. Then you get started with it and you'll be earning based on the percentage return of agreement. All right, so why is this not coming up? Let me try again. All right, what you need to do is, you can see the return 405 here, number of days he has been trading, the risk level he takes 3%, and the number of followers and the fund amount he's managing. Now just click on invest. So the moment you click on invest, so you can see that strategy account is safe underscore scalping. That's the name of the person. Currency is USDT. Profit share is 30%. You will earn 30% of the profit. Now minimum deposit is $100 for this particular one. So all you have to do now in this case is to confirm this. Make sure you have get your $100 ready and then click on open. So the moment you click on open, then it's going to load and then set up this where you can set up you invest and then wait for 30% return on your investment at the end of the trading period. All right, so right now at this point we'll just wait for it to load, and once you finish you can see it just says success. Okay, your investment account was open for your reference, sent to your email and other. View account detail, you can click it here, the number, the save, the amount, percentage you are going to receive, the minimum deposit and other. So the next thing you have to do now is to make a deposit, and then just scroll down, make a deposit, no hidden charges. As you scroll down, for my country Nigeria, there are different 4 ways you can. So here is local banking, Nigeria mobile banking method. To make transfer, you need to verify your proof of payment and all that. So you just select any of the method. Maybe if it is card, let's assume we'll go for card. Then here now we can just click on instant. Since it is instant something, we'll just upload the proof of account, that is our ATM card or credit card details via which we make the deposit, and that is it. The deposit will be confirmed and we are good to go. Now the moment this is done, the next you have to select is what? The wallet you want to put the money. You don't want it in Naira wallet or USD wallet. If it is in USD wallet you want, you put it in USD wallet here. If it is Naira, you select Naira. Then let's assume we put it on USD wallet in this case. Now transfer amount. How much do you want to transfer in Naira? Let's assume we're going to transfer like 100,000 Naira, for instance. 100,000, that should be this amount, 10,000, right? Now 100,000, that's 150 something dollar. So how much can we get in this? Let's say 70,000 for $1. This is $107, not up to that. So we have 60,000. 60,000 is 92. So let's say 65. 65 is $100. That's 65,000 Naira for $100. Are we getting now? So once you have that for $100, 65,000 Naira, then you just click on confirm. Now the moment you click on confirm, you can see it will ask you to upload verification under confirmation stage. Now at this confirmation stage, you can see the amount $100 is what we're depositing. Exchange rate is 65,000 Naira, and then we are going to go there. The next thing is to confirm the payment, and here now we have secure by Cora P. Now you are paying 65,000. Just enter your card details here. As you enter your card detail, enter the month. As we get your ATM card you are using to make payment, then enter the CVV, then you pay the 65,000. Once the deposit is confirmed, then you covered your number and upload screenshot your card detail which you use to make deposit, and you send it for them to verify that you are the true owner of the card via which you are making deposit, that is not for another person. And after that, your payment, your deposit will be confirmed, and your account trading you just selected will be live. And once it's live, you just wait for your return on investment. You just come, you see how much profit you have generated, then you do click on withdraw fund, and your fund will be processed to your bank account. That is how we do this. You trade without you knowing how to trade. You don't even need to install indicator. You don't need to do anything. Just this process you need to take, and that is all. All right. So if you like this video, thumbs up. Click on subscribe. Click on the subscribe button, then like and share the video for others to benefit from it. Okay. Don't forget to drop your own comment. If you have any comment, any question, and whatever, comment below. Thank you for watching the video. Remain blessed.